Alright, so we got a lot to talk about. So that lot to talk about. But so Logan, with the whole little cough thing about Logan's birthday. Your next video is on Logan's birthday. I got it, okay? I know when your birthday is. Did not forget. Little much. Okay, but no, I know, and I'm planning something that either will fall through and I'll have to sing to you, which will be extremely embarrassing and weird for me, or it'll actually work and then everything will happen right. But now that I told you that, I can't sing. Ha! I'm not singing for you. No, I may sing for you. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But moving on with life. I'm shirtless because I'm way too tired to put on a shirt to make today's video. You're going to have to deal with that. Shit happens. But also moving on from that, movie Tuesday, Monday, whatever today is, I saw District 9. District 9 was a very good flick, a very serious flick. It was a lot different than the trailer, because I saw the trailer and I was thinking something a little bit different than I saw it. I was like, oh, it's different than what I was thinking it would be like, but it was still a really good movie. It just kind of like shocked me a bit, because I walked in, we started watching it, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be this type of film, and I thought it was gonna be that type of film. So I don't know. It's really good. I'd go see it in theaters again. It's not quite like best movie of the year. It's changing cinema, but it was really good. Like it was really entertaining. It was really good. It was really good. Moving on with life. I don't even remember what I was going to say. First day of school. Or 2 days of school, whatever, really good. I liked them. I have some okay teachers. They don't have the last names of my best friends. So, yeah. I think that's about it. Logan, no, it's not, because you wanted questions because you had nothing to talk about. Why did you chip your tooth? I would like that story told to our viewers. I don't even know. I don't know.